Hi devs, welcome to Becodewala. I welcome you to the new amazing project, and here we are going to see a beautiful car website that we are going to build using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you can see on my screen a beautiful landing page of our car website, and here on the above you can see that the title of our website. Then here you can see that the logo, and you can see that this is the mouse moving effect. You can see that, and when I go up, so that the round circle stop here, it stop in the viewport of our screen. So you can see that the moving effect of the mouse. So, and you can see that the hovering effect of each nav menus and the buttons hovering effect. You can see that. So these are the effect that we are applying using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you can see that in the background we have a glowing effect with the car scaling, and here you can see that the heading experience the future, so where innovation meet the luxury on every road. So you can write your slogan here on the hero section. Then we have a button explore models and watch video, and you can see that the scroll below indicator, so click on explore model. You can see that we went to the featured model section. So in feature models we have a three different cards, and where we have mentioned our featured cards and the name and the power and the price and all. So you can see that on hovering it effect the glowing effect in the background, and the view details button appear when we hover on the cards. And you can add the functionality so that you can click on the view details and it will show the details of that card. So you, you can add that the section of other features like autopilot technology, electric, luxury interior and connected experience. So some features card that has been added here in this section. Then here in the performance we have added for the different cars Apex R, Apex GT, Apex X. So you can mention your model, horsepower and range, top speed and everything that the you want to show to the user. Then in the gallery section you can mention your different cars model, and here you can mention the exterior, interior details, action. So I have just used the random images of cars, and according to your needs you can add the images according to the filters like exterior, interior details and action. And when you hover on this, it will show a plus icon. When you click on this, it will open in a model wise, and with this you can see that the like testimonial we used to make, right? So like a gallery, you can see that you can go to the next, right? You can go to the back, right? So and you can click on close and it will close. Otherwise you can click anywhere in the windows, it will close. So these are the functionality we are going to add using JavaScript. So here in the what owner says, so the customers so who buy this card, so you can mention the review of that user in this card with the rating and the profile picture. And the after that in the contact section you can schedule your drive with your details. You can fill the details and select the models and then submit the request. Then after submitting request you can go for the test drive. And here below we have a beautiful footer, and after that it is responsive for a small devices also. So you can see that this website is fully responsive for a small devices also, and that we have built using HTML, CSS and the JavaScript. And if you want the full tutorial and the source code, you can check out my channel. So this is the demo of our project, and the source code I will share on my GitHub. So here in my channel I have mentioned the GitHub. So where is our GitHub? This is our GitHub link. Here you can go and check out the source code in the repository section. You'll get the source code for free. You can give a star and the follow me on the GitHub. And if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. So I will make the full tutorial for this website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I'll explain and build each section line by line. Hope you guys like the project. So share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the tutorial of this project.